Hi, how are you? Matt Brulette over at MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the 276 Sailfish dual console. Great boat. Sailfish did a great job replacing the previous model, the 275, with this. Nice exterior lines. This one comes equipped with the 200 Mercury outboards. When you come walking through, quick things, Bluetooth radio if you're hanging out back, quick wash down, get your feet, the sand off of it. And then what's wicked convenient, battery switch is right here as you come in. Come on in. So just when you walk onto this boat, you just see all the seating everywhere. I mean, this boat in its class probably has the most seating options. And you can just put them all the way if you wanted to have a nice fishing day. It does come with a large live well. A lot of fishing rod holders, ski pylon. You got a fridge drawer if you're entertaining. As you walk through underneath the hardtop, you got 2 speakers, a lot of lighting, looks very nice. Garmin VHF with this boat. You got the GPS chart plotter, also done by Garmin. Digital throttle shift. This seat right here too, very nice. You can actually recline it all the way down. Make it a sun pad. Right up here, take a look at the head. A lot of room down there. And this boat, it's great for entertaining. I mean, you have a lot of speakers everywhere. Little sink right here. You can tuck it right away when you're not using it. Now we make our way to the bow. A lot of space. They did a great job. I mean, they really utilized all the space that we had. Great storage underneath. This will go right under the helm station right here. Also right here, a nice little self-draining cooler. But do me a quick favor. Come back up here. I'm going to switch spots with you. Take a look underneath. Nice. So that's just a quick walkthrough through the 276 Sailfish. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please give me a call. Matt Brulette, MarineMax Danvers, 603-320-5524. Thank you.